Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. We have the x, that means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So this one we have number 1, so we have f and y. This one we have 1 over y, so y divided by y, so we have number 1. This one we have number 1. So we have dy, that means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to x. So this one we have number 1. So we can see that this one and this one, they are not the same. So we need to transform into exact. To do about this one, we need to use about integrating factor. So if we look carefully, if I put y and this y go outside, we have fn of y plus e to the power of x. This one we repeat again in here. So that means I will select about mu y. That means we need to do first the derivative of this one. So we need to put this one go in here and here. So now I want this one equals to this one. So if I need to do first the derivative of this one, we got like this. That should be like this. Now the second one, that is about this one, but we just have only for x. Now we need to simplify it. So this one, that is about this one. And this one we keep the same. This one we have number 1. That's it from here. So if we have this one minus this one, because number 1 multiplied by mu y and another number 1 in here, we can cancel. So we just have like this. Now I need to put y go outside. And now we divide both sides by f and y plus e to the power of x. So we have like this. Next, I will put this one go to the right. So I will divide both sides by negative y and mu y. So we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of y. This one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of mu y. So I will put the negative go inside in here, and we have y to the power of negative number 1, and we put 1 over y. So mu y in here, that is about 1 over y. So that means we need to multiply both sides by 1 over y. So that should be like this. Now, if we do b and q again, so that should be like this. Now, if we do first the derivative of b with respect to y, so we have 1 over y, and the second one, that is for s. And we can see that this one and this one, they are the same, so that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fsy equals to the integration. So I will select this one, and we put gsy, the integration of f and y with the s, so that is about s f and y. This one we keep the same. Later that we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. This one we have 1 over y, so we have s over y. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. So this one equals to this one. Now we need to simplify for the both sides, and we have cosine y. So we put the integration for the both sides. So this one we have sine y, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have 3sy. 3sy equals to sine y. And we know that this one equals to fsy. fsy equals to c. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.